Summer's on its way out and fall's on its way in here at the lake. Come join us and let's take a look at what's happening this month here at Lake Lawn Resort. Here's your lineup. First up, Wine and Dine on the Lake is back on September 17th. Join us aboard the Lake Lawn Queen for a 4-course dinner paired with bold, unforgettable wines from the Prisoner Wine Company. From Vietnamese bites to Korean fried chicken, every dish is paired to perfection. Get your tickets early for this one because seats are expected to sell out. Looking for more lake time? Don't miss our Fall Colors boat tours. Come out and enjoy 90 minutes of crisp air, changing leaves, and a front row view to 5 historic Frank Lloyd Wright homes. Throughout the month, we have DJ karaoke nights and live music at the Lookout. Wednesdays, that's Senior Savings Day. Come treat yourself. Mark your calendar. Our 7th annual Craft Brew Open Golf Outing is taking place at Majestic Oaks on Saturday, October 4th at 10 a.m. And for the fall lovers, Family Fall Fest is coming in October. Pumpkins, crafts, and all the cozy vibes. Keep a lookout for more information coming soon. Book your tickets today. Come join us and stay overnight and come see why everything is better here at the lake.